In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart on Monday.com in just 5 minutes. We'll walk you through the process step by step so you can efficiently manage your projects using this powerful tool. Whether you're a project manager, a team leader, or just keen on organizing your work better, Gantt charts on Monday.com offer an intuitive way to visualize your timelines and tasks. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, click on the Login button, usually located at the top right of the page. If you're using Google credentials to access your account, simply click the Google option and select the Google account associated with Monday.com. This method is swift and saves the trouble of entering your login details manually each time. Next, look at the left-hand panel of your dashboard to find and select your specific board. This is where all your tasks and projects are organized. Once you've navigated to your board, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see a plus icon. Click this icon to add a new view to your board. You're now going to add the Gantt chart view, which will beautifully map out your tasks. As soon as you click the plus icon, a range of view options will appear. Among them is Gantt. Click on it. This action takes you to a new interface, presenting your tasks in a structured timeline format. Each item is placed along a time axis, providing you with a clear overview of what's happening when. After the Gantt chart view has been set up, notice that each task or item is laid out in chronological sequence. You can enhance your chart by adding new tasks intuitively. Simply click the New Item button to do this. Each newly added task can immediately be placed within your timeline, making the Gantt chart dynamically responsive to your updates. What makes Monday.com particularly versatile is its ability to adjust the timeline view. You can choose to view your projects over different time scales. Change quickly between days, weeks, months, or even years, depending on the level of detail you need to see. This flexibility ensures your chart fits the timeline of your project exactly how you need it. And that's how you create a Gantt chart on Monday.com to visualize your projects efficiently. By following these steps, you can stay organized and plan your projects more effectively, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Don't forget to explore different features within the Gantt view that align with your needs, helping you make the most out of your project management experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your project planning on Monday.com.